The farm protests have entered the 33rd day. The centre and the farmers continue to be at loggerheads. Sources have told India Today that the centre is going to be sending a letter to the farmer unions today, accepting their proposal. This is coming after farmer unions on Saturday agreed to hold talks and proposed 29th of December for the meeting with the centre on 4-point agenda. The farmers have already prepared a backup plan to escalate the protests if the talks fail. The farmers are demanding investment in the agriculture sector and have decided to continue the campaign to boycott corporate products. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal visited Singhu border yesterday, appealed to the centre to repeal the new farm laws. He also attended the prayers to honour martyrdom of 9th Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur.
No end to deadlock between centre and farmers yet. Farmers protesting against the centre's new farm sector laws clanged thalis and raised slogans as Prime Minister Modi delivered his monthly radio address Mann Ki Baat on Sunday morning.
Now it has been more than 30 days. Agitating farmers are protesting here at Ghazipur border. Today, all the farmers demonstrated with tali and thali, and they are comparing these three black laws with Corona.
When Corona busted in our country, it was a direction given by Honorable Prime Minister that with the thali and tali, it will go away. So similarly, we all respected members here who are sitting on the demonstration or agitation adopted the same policy by applying the theory given by our Honorable Prime Minister in the hopes that definitely these black laws will be eradicated.
Farmers observed the two-day event to mark martyrdom of 9th Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur at the memorial erected at Singhu border. Special langar was organized for the occasion.
The farmers continues to be very high. Now let me tell you, the morning process is where Guru ka langar is being prepared, and there you see today the main recipe, the sweet dish at least, is the jalebis out here. The preparations with deft hands being done out here, and there you look, all of this, the dal, the jalebis, the chapatis, all of it a preparation, because the farmers are the ones who have produced. Their stomachs should not go empty.
As the agitation continues to grow, a bigger stage was set at Singhu border.
जब प्रधानमंत्री जी, गृह मंत्री जी कह रहे हैं कृषि के कानून तो वापस नहीं लेंगे, संशोधन पे बात करनी कर लीजिए, वो तो हमारे विरोध काउंटर प्रस्ताव बात कर रहे हैं, तो उससे तो उम्मीद तो नहीं लगती है। इसलिए हमारा मंच पहले छोटा था, कल लोग बढ़ रहे हैं, कल 25,000 हजारों ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉलियों का जत्था पंजाब से आया, तो उसके अनुसार हमने अपना मंच बड़ा किया।
Farmer unions, meanwhile, have agreed to return to table for the proposed next round of talks with government on Tuesday, with 4 preconditions including modalities to repeal farm laws and MSP guarantee.
सरकार ने कहा कि हम कानून वापसी नहीं लेने के, तो 30 दिन से किसान बेवकूफ है, यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं। भाई बातचीत जहाँ से वे छोड़ के गए वहां से तो शुरू होगी। सरकार ने बगैर उसके कानून बनाए, तो किसान ने कहा कि कानून वापसी लो, यही तो किसान भी कह रहा है ना, तो बातचीत यहां से ही शुरू होगी बातचीत।
And if talk fails again, farmers have planned to intensify their agitation. With inputs from Kamaljeet Sandhu and Ram Kinkar Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Anisha is now joining us for the latest. Anisha, tomorrow is a very crucial day because the farmers are going to be presenting a 4-point agenda, and the farmer unions have agreed to hold talks. 29th is the meeting with the centre on the 4-point agenda as well. What are we expecting, and what are you picking up from the government sources? Is the government likely to even accept what they suggest tomorrow? Because in case they do not, the farmers are sure that they are going to be intensifying their agitation.
India Today, English channel. एक मिनट. You can see here, it's a very clear message going in from the farmers here that it is the government which will have to accept their agenda. They've once again sent a letter with a clear 4-point agenda. One, the repeal of the farm laws. Second, guaranteed MSP. Third, withdrawal of the air pollution fines. And fourth, modification in the electricity bills. Now, with the farmers once again reiterating this 4-point agenda, it is now for the government to respond, and how they will respond, because remember, this repeal issue has been the sticking point so far. The government all through has been saying that we are agreeing to amendments, not a repeal. The government has also earlier said that MSP is going to be given, but they have not yet given a written guarantee for the MSP, and these have been sticking points for the farmers throughout. And once again, with the talks scheduled on the 29th, it will be very, very crucial to see how the government is going to respond to the demands of the farmers, because here the protest is only growing. More and more people are coming in from various states. More and more people are coming in also from outside the country. Support is pouring in, and I'm going to ask my camera person to pan around a little and show you the tents of the protests have only grown from in the last month. Then more and more people have come in. The big, tents have been pitched all over the place. Bigger stages are being built, and the farmers are very clear that they are not going to back down. Despite the chilling cold here, farmers are set in their demands, and the farm unions in their latest letter have also pointed out that the government has to listen to them, that in fact they've been alleging that the government is trying to mislead the people. So it is going to be very crucial to see how the response from the government comes on the 29th when the talks happen. Back to you.
Absolutely, Anisha. Thanks for joining us with the very latest details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.